Hello, and welcome to Impera Project, a project built on a dream. Last time we made a comparison between Stoicism and Christianity. If you haven't seen the video, we advise you to do so. In this video, we will explain the following two concepts, ideology and dogma, how they are related to philosophy. But before we start, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our channel and leave a like, if you want to see more concepts explained and walk the road of philosophy. We explained what philosophy is in one of the first videos on this channel. We will link it in the description. Now, both the terms ideology and dogma are used pretty often in discussion, but what do they actually mean? Let's see how ideology is constructed as a word, and we hope there is no surprise that it comes from Greek. Idea means notion or pattern in ancient Greek, but more often is used with the obvious meaning of idea. Logia or logia, which means the study of. So pretty easy, combining the two of them results ideology, which in theory is the study of ideas or the study of notions. But this meaning is an archaic one, no longer being in use. Ideology is no longer the science of studying ideas. Actually, the new meaning of the word is a system of ideas and ideals that form the basis of economic or political theory. We think that most of you would agree that you found the word in politics. Is it philosophy? Definitely. It's philosophy applied in politics. Does it bear any resemblance to actual philosophy? Not quite. There is always the political compass, which helps you understand exactly what is or what promotes each type of ideology, but mostly it is halved into left-wing or right-wing, authoritarian or libertarian. Otherwise speaking, democracy, fascism, communism, socialism, anarchy, are they philosophies? Kind of. Are they ideologies? Yes. Do they have common ground with theoretical philosophy? Usually not, but there are some exceptions. The next concept is dogma. A very beautiful sounding word. Pretty much, dogma is a principle or a set of principles that are imposed by an authority as universal truth. That might sound strange because we know there is no such thing as truth in our universe. Do we still have to say that the word comes from Greek? Well, it does, and the original word was dogma, meaning that which one thinks is true. Usually you can find the word dogma used as an umbrella term for a system of principles or doctrines in a religion, such as Christianity, Islam, Judaism, and so many others. But it can actually be found in philosophy, especially in philosophical schools. And also in political beliefs, given the fact that it represents a rule or a fact always true. A belief held with undefended certainty. A clear example is the Ten Commandments of Christianity. Is dogma philosophy? Yes, it is. It actually is a part of philosophy. Is it used in philosophy? We think not that much. More in religion. Religion being as well the context in which we heard the word being used. Is religion a philosophy? Yes, it is, but we will talk more about it later. We hope you found this video informative, and if so, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of our content related to philosophy, religion, science and self-development. Until next time, we wish you a blessed weekend.